Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me printer Epson L3160, and now I'm gonna show you how to change inks on this device. So you can't change inks on this device. You can add new inks. So as you can see, here is the ink tanks, and it's here. And here we have the level of inks. For example, this BK, it's the black color for black for color printing, but we have no normal black, so we have only BK. So usually you have two black colors, black and black for color printing. Here we have only black for color. It's not cheap, but it's universal. Yellow, red and blue, I think, cyan. And so how we can add new cartridges here? So to add, we need to buy the inks, of course. You need to buy it. You need to find it in Amazon or other website. You can buy the inks for Epson printers, and they are standard, so BK, Y, M and cyan. Then you just need to open the tanks, and then just add the inks inside. That's it. Then just close it all. Check it, is it really closed, and close the tank entrance. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.